She means also she don't bring food for me. They hold me CSO of this house. Why she can't bring the food now? You won't try me.
A boru menempo. No be Juju talk say you no go chop the food again. You go chop food today, you go tire. Nonsense. Say you know what you make it 3 4 kana wana you could.
Yes. Just put the files together, okay? I'll be a bit late. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, thanks. Sorry about that.
It's not a problem. Please. Talk to me. You've not said anything since I asked you about who Benita is.
Benita was one of Ebuka's students. You know, I was teaching in the junior school and Ebuka was in the seniors.
Are you trying to say you've not seen her before?
Well, I have. Benita, a very brilliant girl. You know, she was the most intelligent student in the school. I recall she was not able to receive her award, but then someone else did on her behalf.
So, what about Ebuka's NYSC pictures?
Well, I wouldn't know. While we were leaving Ebonyi State, I came by flights, while Ebuka traveled by road. Although he told me he was robbed.
This is not making any sense. Could I be wrong again? Is there no one I could talk to? I need to know what happened to that girl. I have a feeling that it has something to do with what happened to me.
Okay, I think I'll have to call some of those people we served together. So let's see how I can take it up from there.
Please. Please, Luchy. Please do something for me. I am desperately counting on you. Please.
It's okay. Okay, just calm down, my girl. Right? I will.
Yeah? man belle go. Why man belle? I be care wetin this girl put for my food. I go deal with this girl. I go deal with her.
I hope Uche will be of help. I just want this to end soon. I need to heal fast before I lose my mind completely. Hello, Boo Boo. Yeah, I'm fine. Sure, I have given them my resignation letter. No, I'm driving. Alright. Bye.
Touch me. Don't touch me, you murderer. I hate you.
Baby, I'm sorry. I know you're hot, but you just have to calm down. You just have to calm down.
I know you are happy now. You've gotten all you wanted. Ikem, you are wicked. You are a murderer.
Stop. I am not a murderer. Yes, I know I do not want the child. What happened was an accident. It was not intentional.
You are a liar. A pathetic liar. I saw your face in the hospital. You were so happy he came. She didn't deserve to be killed by her own supposed father. You are a murderer.
I am happy you lost the child. But not because you were in pains. But for the sake of peace, I am not a murderer. I did not kill anyone.
Ikem, you are a murderer. Just get out. You are a murderer. You are a monster. How can you be happy over the death of your own child? How can you? You are a monster. A man who wants his own child dead. You are a monster. You are not fit to be called a father. That is why you are a monster. I married a monster. I got married to a monster. That is what you are. A monster.
Anyway,
Madam.
Why did you leave the gate open and run into your room like that?
Madam, I beg no vex. Now my belly they turn me since.
it be like say soldier hands that they play ball inside my belly. Can't go score for my yash. Now I run, go inside toilet, make I ease up small.
Really?
Yes.
And you don't know what could be the problem?
Madam, no be food wey grave give me. I beg no vex, madam. Wey Ini give me chop. It be like say she put something inside that food.
So you're trying to say that Ini put something in your food? You're very funny. Anyway, I think I know what is wrong with you. It should be toxins in your system.
Madam, which one be toxin?
Toxin.
Toxin.
Emigwe, you will not kill me with laughter. You know what? Don't worry, you can go. I'll do something for you. I will send for you shortly. You'll be fine.
Yes. Calabar witch. See, make I tell you. I know say now you do that thing where they worry me. And to your own now, you don't do your mind. But I won't tell you, say, I go deal with you in my own way. In my own way. You go see her.
Oh. You still they get mad, they talk, Abi? Eh? The one where I never do you, never do you, Abi? It be like say you want make I WhatsApp. It be like.
You want I know say the first time when they carry you come this place, I know say you be witch. Yes. But make I tell you, you kill in your bunk, come the answer her grave. Now you won't come kill a big way so that you go the answer in a big way. You don't go work for you. Yes. You don't go feel work for you. All those way they talk about
you. It be like say you never see anything. I been done promise you say I could show you shaking for this house. Oh. Nonsense.
So now to your own eyes now, you don't win. You don't win now. Say you don't know now. No. See what I tell you. I go show you, see, now maybe the CSO of this house. By the time I go finish with you for this place, Ini. By the time I go finish with you, you go regret say you know me.
Make you first correct the one why I don't kiss you before you they talk to me anyhow.
Make it like you. Make it like you.
Mad person. Nonsense. You won't come try Karabake.
Was I wrong to have told Uche the whole thing? Was I wrong to have suspected that my husband has something to do with what happened to me?
Hey. You okay?
Yes. Where did you go? Today is Saturday and you know I need you here with me.
I'm sorry. I got a call from the guy fixing the supermarket for us. So I went to see how the job is going. You were sleeping when I left. I didn't want to wake you up.
You are already working on that?
Yeah. I actually wanted to surprise you, but I guess it's no longer a surprise. I spoiled it.
You are the best. I mean, I got the best man as a husband.
Thank you.
You should be happy. How are you?
I'm pushing.
Okay, get ready. We are going to meet Uche at the pool bar. I really don't know why he loves that place so much. He said he has some emotional attachment to that place, just like you.
Yes. A misery, I would say. So are we meeting up this afternoon?
Oh yes, from the pool bar, go to the cinema. And guess what? He's coming with his girlfriend. So it's going to be fun.
Uche has a girlfriend?
Yes.
Baby, wait. Where is get man now?
Who be that? Ini.
They come outside, I think.
Ini. Why you no go bring Monday or bulldozer to come bring this door down? Yeah?
Anyway, I beg I don't get your time. I beg take your food.
Hey, come back here. Where's it be this?
Now jollof rice now.
Eh?
Yes, now jollof rice.
Love rice. So that poison where you won't give me before, where you no Greek kill me, now you don't prepare another love potion come to take on kill me. See, if na send they send you come tell people when send you say this one I jump and pass. You no go walk. Oh yes.
Mboko make it bomb musufem. Eh? Make it bomb musufem. So I don't see a person like, oh, car way fine and somewhere come get money. Eh? To put rough portion for. Now come on get man right here, I won't come put rough portion for. You the grace for it.
See this maid. See this bush girl where they can't come from where they come take toilet anyhow here. See, make I tell you. Eh? Any evil plan where they plan here no go work for you. You hear me, man? This your rice come carry am. I no go eat am.
Oh, you know one chabari?
Yes.
I better come back one side of it. Nonsense.
I don't know if
You take
why they
it,
go
put
carry
it
this
on.
calabash come here? When you say go bush calabash. Come carry your food, oh. I dey tell you now, come carry am. Come carry am. Obiligwe. Come carry am, oh.
Ex.
Yeah, he told me about a girl he was dating back then. But he cheated and he's been emotionally down since then. But dude never showed me her picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you try to ask him to show you the girl? Did you see her? Did you ask him?
That's not really my business. We just said that casually and that was it.
Oh, that's okay. Babe, I am craving toasted bread. Let me go make it.
No. You don't have to. I got this. So get ready, okay? It's gonna be fun.
Okay.
All right. I love you.
Okay, that's fine. No, I've not heard from her. Well, okay. Oh, who is it? Let me call you back. Baby! Wow! Wow, look at you! Oh! I saw ya! Wow, this is good. You're welcome. So, how was your trip? So someone was having fun without me.
Oh well, you can say that. Although the fun was not complete, so because you were not there. Because your face, seeing it every day, is my meal.
Oh yeah? Baby, please don't make me blush.
As a matter of fact, I cannot wait to see you do that, so I'll see how your face will look.
Then you need to be ready for a perpetual nightmare.
Oh my goodness!
Guess what, baby?
What?
I received my posting letter.
Are you for real? Oh, congrats!
Oh, thank you so
I'm
much.
so happy for you.
Of course you should. Because it's my own turn to have fun.
I know, right? Anyway, but not all fun is allowed. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about.
Babe, I did not dictate your own choice of fun. So, why would you dictate mine? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, fine. I won't have so much fun. Okay? Babe.
Condom? What is condom doing in Uche's pocket? We're not even using it. We're not even having sex either. Could it be Uche is cheating on me? Going to ask him because I know he will deny and fill my head with stories. I will be an FBI. Fat Interpol. Fish things out myself.
Baby, please, I can explain. Baby, this is a temptation. Baby! Babe!
Yes, I'm coming. 2 minutes.
Where is this agreement? Hey! Ano man? Hey! How can you get that?
Ebigwe, I come make to give me that food where you talk to you no go chop.
Hey! They don't send you come again. Which food? Which food?
Which one come be which food? The food where I give you, you say you no go chop. I want chop am.
I don't throw away.
You think then I small child you dey talk to? You don't throw away waiting. Okay, show me where you throw away am. I won't go carry am chop like that.
See, bake like it, they laugh and say your nose, they come out and they close. I said, I don't throw away. Go find those aboki people. I don't throw away and they will go collect the food from them.
Ebigwe, you know say you don't even get shame at all. So after all this chagara where you just they do, you still get mine. Chop that food. I think say you no go chop am.
A big bogieba. You know, now when they come, they do something. Oh, so you walk on check. Maybe that's your juju. Catch me. Who tells I chop the food? See, if your juju, if your witch like make it top past this house, I pass you. Yes. Back to send out those way.
You know say na my food they make you a crow past this one.
See this in Beke.
Short man, hungry man.
See this in Beke. You just have never had to chop food before they bring you come from that your village. Come this place. And they chop better food here.
Kase wose mpasa na ya. Kase wose mpasa na ya.
The chono and novia.
Kamison tu merampo.
You are the novia.
Kamison tu merampo.
Anumpa. Back to sender. And novia. Lekumpo. Anumpa. See him back as you.
If I don't give you food for this house, you go fit survive.
I done the chop for here before they bring you come from your bush come. Blood is catching.
Please, I beg of you. Don't do this. Please, I beg you.
Ikem, what is it?
Don't do this to me.
Ikem, leave the way. Leave my way. Why are you blocking my way now?
We can at least settle this.
Settle what? Ikem, settle what exactly? What do you want us to settle? That you killed my unborn child? So what am I going to tell her siblings? That you killed their sister? Ha! It God forbid. Ikem, the thing is that now I know that my life and the lives of my children is not safe in this house. So come over, please. It be better for me.
Beg you.
Let me go before you commit murder.
But we've been living in this house together. Have I ever hurt you? Why would I hurt you now?
You did not hurt me. But now you hurt me by killing my unborn child. Do you know what it means? You allowed your emotions to overrule you. Ikem. For what? Your own child.
Please don't talk like that. It was a mistake and you know it. It was not intentional.
It was not intentional. A mistake. It's true. Just as my decision to marry you was a mistake. You heard me right. Marrying you was a mistake.
Please, I beg of you.
Ikem, that's the one that I'm going to get offended now. Ikem, please, let me be. So I need to leave. You are a murderer. That is what you are. You are a what? A murderer.
Don't talk like that. You know too well that it was a mistake, like I said. But please, I beg of you. I beg you. What about our children? Our girls? What will I tell them when they come back from school?
Oh. Ikem. So now they are now our girls. Our. Itigo our nime. So they are no longer my daughters. They are no longer my girls. Now it's not our. Okay, Mami, you have sense. Oh, see, I'm telling you now, Ikem, let me be. Allow me to leave your house in peace and not in pieces. If I count 1 to 5 and you did not want to allow me to leave, I will break your head. 1. Ikem, I'm very close to breaking your head. 2.
Please.
Ikem, 3.
Sorry.
Ikem, don't let me bring that attitude that you not like. Leave the way for. Because if I get to 5, I will break your head.
Shameless man. To get dog but one day what? Oh, that's sad. To get dog but one day what? A capella pa, Bella won't go and beat a market, a capella pa, Bella won't go and beat. Oh, a capella pa, Bella won't go and beat a market, a capella pa, Bella won't go and beat a market, a capella pa, Bella won't go and beat a market.
What are you like? You don't like
Serious one. You don't know that this can't shoot. Our forest they use for fun. You come they follow me they talk. A cafera pa, pera won't go to the market. A cafera pa, pera won't go to the market. A cafera pa, pera won't go to the market. A cafera pa, pera won't go to the market. But you can like all that nonsense. To get them for one day one. 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 To get them for one day one.
I have condoled this attitude for a long time, but now it has gotten to here. I can't take it anymore.
Cleo, I understand you perfectly. I do. But I do not want you to make a hasty decision.
There is nothing hasty about this. Ike has touched me in a place where it's so painful.
I understand how he wanted you to terminate the pregnancy. But are you sure he intended doing it himself? Because he sounded so hot and sorry when he called me.
And that is because I want to leave his house. That is why he's sounding hot. The Ike I know is not remorseful about what he has done.
Come on, girlfriend. I know how hard this is for you. But you have to think this over. For the sake of your children, please.
My children? Yes. The ones Ikem does not regard because they are girls? Please, they are better off without a father.
Oh, you don't say that. They are barely 4. Look, I want you to think this over. Please, try and talk to your husband. You guys should have a rethink. Please. At least for the sake of your children. Yes.
I miss my feet so. And then before they say, Miankanika cockena guacuzum. Agamama oribo, Miankanika cockena guacuzum. Agamama oribo, Miankanika cockena guacuzum. Agamama oribo, Miankanika cockena guacuzum.
Ini. No be they call.
Oh, yeah, you have been near me for you from Pong.
Back to sender. I bind you and that's your calabar wound. Banje.
Ebikwe. You don't come again, Abby. You don't come again. Shebi, now I dey on my own. You just come to find my trouble. Abby, you won't correct.
Abby, I won't collect. So for your mind now, that's the way you do now. You say you don't win, Abby. So bad, you know. You know waiting bring me come here now. Are they hungry? Go inside, go bring food for me.
Call your duty post. When I finish with my I go carry him come.
What did that one come mean?
Come. You brother, I they shoot you corn for high. You don't see side they do something. Come I tell you, I'm not gonna stand up from this place till I finish what I do.
So because of this your witch nails when you call, that go make me a big when the whole CSO of this has not go drop food. You like crazy that pala, I mean they put bomb for your head.
Come, I will see Kerry and zero in my phone. What's that your name again? CS. Today, me, I will show you, say, me, today, me, I be, CK, that's Chief kitchen officer. Now maybe that today. If you can't mind, go inside. But today, me I will stand up from here till I finish waiting at the room.
If you not leave this your dirty fingernails when you cut this your dirty body now, go inside now. Go bring food for me. I go dismantle you here now.
I back one side. Come give me worry. Back one side. What thing you go do? Every time you go just stay back like Chinwa. Back. For my side, we call them a boy. Are you a boy? Are you a dog? Are you a dog? I'm asking you, are you a dog? You don't know for my side now. If I don't kill you, chop as dog where you be. I go chop you every time you go woo. What thing happen safe since I come this house? I don't get peace of mind. Not only you there, you go there back. For my side now, I don't chop a boy. I don't chop you, chop white rice now. Mix some chop, bite you now. Nonsense. But I get mine today. I tell him something sweet me body. Oh, here I was even. Oh, Yankanika Cocker
Wetin dey give this girl moral to talk to me anyhow? Imagine this calabar ekuke o. Can't they use me to catch cruise for this house? She don't they do anyhow.
I've missed you so much, sir.
Get a grip, Luchy. I'm not here for this. So about Benita, what were you able to find?
I'm sorry. You see, I lost a lot of contacts while I traveled. And then I tried to get it from a few people, but they keep saying they don't have her contact, that I should ask Ebuka since he was her school teacher at that time. I think you should ask him.
I can't ask him, Uche.
Why?
Because he is obviously going to deny it. And not just that. He's going to think I am suspecting him. And that could ruin my marriage. Ebuka has been nothing but a very nice and supportive husband.
And what if he's doing that as a cover-up?
I don't know. I'm just so confused. How do I ask him, Uche? How?
You know, you look so beautiful when you're worried. Come on, Zara. Zara, you see that?
What did you go do inside that house?
Eh? I mean, you ask that question. As what?
Now your duty must be that.
I say, as what? When you ask me this kind of question. So I don't get right now to make my routine security patrol for this house. Eh?
Cancel. Ebigwe. So for all the praise in this house, now inside that house, where you want to do your routine.
So waiting be that a cookie. What do you mean now?
Make it not be waiting at a think. If I enter inside that kitchen, say you don't chop any food for that, I could report you for
No. Not be only what you sabi be that. Not be only to sabi cook now you know. I bet go inside go get food from me before I change that for you.
Now make I tell you something. Now me where be the CKO of this house, that is the chief kitchen officer. I could go bath, rest before I could give you food, make you chop. No be you go tell me what I could do.
If you get forehead, no go bring my food, me a big way, no go bring my food.
I can take
you
it some.
I can take
it some. I said some body. You know be waiting at a thing go. Or this guy go inside, go steal something from a car room. Or he ain't really go chop food. I go catch you.
You should have waited for us to patch things up. All this nonsense wouldn't have happened to you.
You should not have cheated.
Yes, I know. But you didn't give me enough chance to explain myself to you.
Does it matter now? Does it?
Yes, it does. Though it's been a few years now, but it still does. I tried, babe. I tried looking for you during our NYC. I even went to Lagos, but I couldn't find you, only to discover you're already dating my friend. Zara, you know how much I love you. You know I was willing to wait for you. I didn't ask for sex. I was willing to wait. Zara, I waited.
And then you cheated.
Zara, you know I'm not perfect. I am not. You know, I was willing to make up with you, but you already moved on and you threw everything up.
No, you threw everything away when you cheated on me. You know, maybe if you hadn't cheated, I wouldn't have met Ebuka. And all of this wouldn't have been happening to me.
Thank you, Cleo. But the congratulation is coming a bit too early. Nothing is confirmed yet. I'm still on the interim. I understand you, Cleo. But I don't want to go ahead of myself. I leave everything to fate. Speaking about Zara, have you spoken to her since she resigned? I think we should go and see her. Since she's avoiding us, let's go and see her. Okay. I'm really happy for you. Yes. I was really worried about you. Really? Oh, I would love that. I can't remember the last time I have a dinner date. What is that? Please. Okay. Bye. Oh, dinner date. That.
How best do I ask him this without pissing him off? And without him suspecting anything? Ugh, I'm just confused right now.
Baby, you okay?
Yes, love.
You don't have to be like that with me. You know you're not fine. I know you're not fine. You're not eating your food. What is it?
Ibuka, something has been bothering me. And I don't know how best to approach you with it.
My love, I am your husband. You don't have to think of the best way to talk to your husband. I'm always here for you to share what is bothering you. What is it? Talk to me. It's fine, anything. Talk to me.
Okay. That night, when they were talking to you while I was unconscious, what were you discussing?
I was only begging them to let you be. That's all.
I heard the name Benita.
Who is that?
I don't know, but they mentioned her name.
My love, I know it's hard to forget what happened to us, but we really have to let this go. We really have to get back our life. You were drugged that night, so it's possible that you hallucinated. No name was mentioned that night.
Baby, I'm sorry if what I said made you angry. It wasn't my intention. I'm sorry. Where are you going? Babe. Babe, where are you going? It's late, babe. Babe. Where could he be? By this time of the night, with his phone switched off. Goodness me. I hope he's safe. What do I do now? Luchy. Luchy, let me call Luchy. Hello? Luchy.
Hey babe, how are you?
Luchy, I'm not fine. I asked my husband about that girl and
He walked out on me, and since then he hasn't been back. I've been trying to reach him, but his phones are switched off. I don't know, I'm just so worried.
He's with me.
Really? Is he okay?
Oh yes, he's okay, but he has not told me anything. He only said that you two had misunderstanding.
He didn't tell you anything? And you didn't ask him what could be the cause?
No, babe. I think he's really keen on making the whole incident a secret. No, don't wait up, okay? Because he's not coming home tonight. But trust me, he's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, alright. Okay there. Good night, love. I love you.
She has gone through a lot for your sake, oh, I beg, free the woman. Aye. Don't forget anything.
You've been keeping to yourself lately, and it seems you are avoiding us.
Yes.
What's going on?
Why would I possibly be avoiding you girls? Like, I've had to deal with a lot lately. It's not been easy on me.
Come on, Sarah. We are friends. You should share your problems with us. Yes. You should talk to us so we can help in any way we can.
I know. But this is personal. It's between my husband and I.
Was it a part of the reasons why you resigned from the office? Come on, Sarah. Talk to us. What is going on?
I share that sentiment. Sarah, my marriage would have hit the rock if I had done what you are doing right now.
Hold on. Were you having issues with Ikem?
Yes. I know you are unaware. I almost ended my marriage with Ikem. If not for the wise counsel of Chisumi.